Here we are talking about Amazon. What a great move up to the 235.81. Closed at 224. What a nice move up. Now, on the other hand, Apple came down and tested that 397.68. It's been struggling all day. One of the things that we would like to say, MMTs, is that Amazon's 7-inch tablet called Fire will cost $199. Will Apple be able to keep up with the rival? Will Amazon keep up with the rival Apple iPod? But now, with this new release, everybody's been speculating that Apple would lose money. Amazon is unveiling today the tablet called the Fire. That's what it is. They may not have all the same features as an iPad, but will start at a much, much lower price. Amazon executives, it will cost $199 compared to the iPad, which starts at $499. That is a $200 difference. Now, will the consumer find the same value for that savings? That will be yet to be determined. Right now, the way the economy is, well, if it can do everything they need, then maybe it's not such a bad bargain after all. Initially, it appears that the Kindle Fire will be more of a color version of the Kindle e-reader than a true competitor to the iPad. The device will have a 7-inch display, 3 inches shy of the iPad. Wow, 3 inches shy of the iPad. And will run Google's Android software. Well, that's nice to know. But it won't have an embedded camera or microphone. So, once again, they will not have an embedded camera or microphone. Additionally, it will come with Wi-Fi, but not 3G. So, there are some features, it sounds like, for that lower price of $199 versus the $499, and what those will mean to the consumer and how the consumer will choose to do their shopping. Right now, Amazon is cooking today, and it was a great trade this morning at 225 up to 235.81, and then had pulled back and is running to try to make all-time highs. Apple, on the news, on the other hand, has been struggling. Okay? And another thing that is rumored, as rumored previously, now these are rumors, that the device will come with a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime, the Seattle company's $79 annual membership, which includes free 2-day shipping, but also some content like streaming video. So there's some content in there, little streaming video content and whatnot. And that is a rumor, though. So let's be clear of that. So that is the thing that's happening, but both companies have done extremely well. Amazon chart right here on a weekly level is right up here toward its 3-week highs. Here we made a great new 52-week high right up here on a weekly on this Apple, and we have pulled back. The news is that people have been taking profits into that news that I had just read on the video. So that's Apple right now versus Amazon. And the rival, Apple, will it come out ahead in this next pricing war with Amazon's new release? It will be determined between the buyers and the sellers. Okay? And therefore, the Amazon trade has been getting the best side of the news right now, because it traded from 225.60 up to 235.81, whereas the Apple stock on the daily level here, it's up $1.37. The high was 403.74, well off its highs, 10:22 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9/28/2011, and we're trading both names. Weekly bullish chart here, weekly bullish chart down here on Amazon, and then again, here's the bid and the ask right here on Apple, and once again, here's the bid and ask on that Amazon, and that's been on fire, and it's been bouncing off the lows, whereas the Apple leader has been struggling and is well off the highs right now.